Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel left, select the import button, go to the gallery, select the picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the result color, enable button on, adjust the picture. Then select the text option, edit option by writing. Select the size option, adjust the size. Select the font option, adjust the font. Select the stroke button, enable button on, adjust the color. Select the shadow option, enable button on. Select the import button, go to the gallery, select another picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the result color, enable button on, adjust the picture. Then select the copy option, copy the picture. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.